So I should say a few things. First, just about the title here. Jeff and I were brainstorming what should we talk about for the BDTI talk this year. And well, BDTI, and I'll tell you a little bit about this. We do a lot of work in embedded, and so we see a lot of issues that we have to deal with. So we have the top 10, and then it's like, well, yeah, and then number 4 will amaze you because we want it to be clickbaity. And then that has led to a whole theme throughout the presentation of memes, and so I hope you enjoy memes. So just be warned. Now, I want you all to imagine, and for many of you, I suspect this will not be imagining, you are an engineer. You have just gotten your evaluation kit for some new embedded processor. You've got the box. You're excited. You've been waiting perhaps weeks or months for it. It's going to be awesome. You open up the box. There's the README first sheet, and then there's the actual board in this little anti-static bag, and then there's the power supply, and there's the cables, and oh my gosh, life is great. And if you're like me, sometime, not always, fortunately, but sometime, maybe 10 minutes, maybe 10 hours, maybe 10 days later, you get to something more like this. Your shipment of fail has arrived. And things are not quite as you had really hoped them to be. So what I'd like to do today is talk about some of these failure modes and what we can do about them. First, a word from our sponsor. So my company, BDTI, we are an engineering consulting company. We do embedded AI and vision. We've been around about 32 years, so we've seen a thing or two. Our customers, as Eric kind of alluded to, are, on the one hand, technology suppliers, so think semiconductor vendors, processor suppliers, and then on the other hand, what we call systems companies. These are people who are making things using chips from processor suppliers. So, think, I don't know, microwave ovens, self-driving cars, whatever it is. The services we provide on the technology supplier side, we do processor evaluation, so we can help you figure out how does your processor stack up against the competition, how easy is it to use, how easy are your tools to use. We do reports and white papers, which give you credible technical marketing, and we also do technology strategy consulting. So if you're considering, I'm going to expand into the large language model realm, okay, we can talk to you about what might make a good strategy there. For systems companies, we do everything from helping design products to coming up with requirements, specifications, algorithms. We will help you select processors. We do a lot of that, and we do a ton of embedded software development.